How to prove equation of motion? Equations of motion of kinematics describe the basic concept of the motion of an object, such as the position, velocity, or acceleration of an object at various times. These three equations of motion govern the motion of an object in 1D, 2D, and 3D. The derivation of the equations of motion is one of the most important topics in physics. This equation is only applicable if body is moving with uniform acceleration. Let's start to derive the first equation of motion. We will use velocity-time graph to find first equation of motion. In the graph, the velocity of the body changes from A to B in time t at a uniform rate. So we get straight line graph from point A to B. BD is the final velocity and OD is the total time t. A parallel line is drawn from A to C. And another perpendicular is drawn from B to OD, represented by dotted lines. So the initial velocity is represented by Vi, which is equal to OA. The final velocity is represented by Vf, which is equal to BD. Acceleration is equal to slope of line AB. So, A is equal to BC over AC, and BC is equal to BD minus CD. So acceleration will be A is equal to BD minus CD divided by OD, and we know that BD is equal to Vf, CD is equal to Vi, OD is equal to T. Now, A is equal to Vf minus Vi divided by T. Rearranging terms, we get Vf is equal to Vi plus AT. This is our first equation of motion. Make sure to like and share my channel with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Stay connected for more.